So, my people, another day, another dollar. My day is almost finished. My shift is almost finished. I'm about to go home, just waiting for my reliever. As soon as my reliever gets here, I'm gone. Today it's Sunday. I'm not at church, I'm here. So, yeah, So, as soon as my things get right, Papa security. Let's see. You never know God. uNkulunkulu ngayivula eminyango uvula ngexesha that ungalindelanga ngakhona, and then ubone boom, something that you never thought. And then and also the other thing, I'm planning a trip to Mpumalanga. So we'll be driving from PE to Mpumalanga. It's 16 hours drive, just on the border of the Kruger National Park. I'm so excited. I want to see how much fuel we're gonna use going up there, as well as how much fuel we're gonna use coming back down, because last time I checked, we were going to use a bus, and for me and the rest of my family, it was going to cost me an arm and a leg. I'm hoping that since I'll be using a car now, so it's going to cost way less. Only thing, I was complaining about the lights of my car, thinking that my car has dim lights, but there was another person who confirmed that she's also struggling with driving at night, but only to find out that the problem was my glasses. I don't know when the last time I changed them, so I went to the doctor to see what's going on, and only to find out my eyesight is worse than 2 years back when I first did my first eye check. So the glasses that I was using are no longer comparable with me, so I have to change them. So I want to see when my glasses are back if I'm gonna see clear or what, because driving to Mpumalanga is going to be a serious thing. I have to be 100% ready. So if I'm able to see clear after I've changed my glasses, then that means I will no longer need to change the lights, because it's gonna cost me. So, can you imagine that? So I'm thinking I just can't wait for them to demand Mababuyisa, but I did them a few days back, so I have to wait 2 weeks or 10 days for them to finish the process. I also told them to install the anti-glare, because it's the things that is very important when you're driving, more especially at night. Otherwise, without it, it's going to be a struggle, So we'll see. Anyways, my people, thank you so much. See you. It's time to go home. There is my reliever, he's driving his bicycle. So it's time for me to go home. It's a nice thing. Excuse the noise, it's just that there is no power, so there is no power. The power just went off now, and then so it's time to go home. Yep. So it's time to go home. Kungekho mbane kunjalo. So akasibone, asihambe sodwa kasihamba. The only thing that I like, can't go to kukuhamba ndizimamelele umculo wam. No, asifuni uzobuya mama apha. Sizofaka ezam. Wena mama uzobuya, ubuyani? Awume. Na mama uzobuya la. Sisekhona, yes. Asambe.
Ngisho kaloku yes. I wish. Didn't say happy. Who did not want to give him?
Thank you for watching. Stay safe. God bless you.